Alright, listen up, because what I'm about to tell you is gonna blow your mind. One of my subscribers just flipped a $300 deposit into $69,000. And get this, it took him just 3 days. No background in trading, no fancy setup, just him, our AI-powered strategy, and a bot that does most of the work for you. Now before you start thinking this is one of those too good to be true things, let me break it down. This isn't magic. It's not luck. It's the power of next-gen trading automation. Our bot uses advanced algorithms to scan the markets and spit out high-accuracy trade signals, with a 75% win rate. Yeah, you heard that right, 75%. That means even if you've never placed a single trade in your life, this bot not only helps you make smart moves, it actually teaches you while stacking profits in your account. Every single trade becomes a learning moment and a money-making opportunity. It's like having a mentor, a strategy, and a profit machine, all in one. So stick around, because I'm gonna show you exactly how this guy did it, and how you can too. Alright, we just got our second signal. This time, we're going long. Look at the setup. Price pulled back after a strong upward impulse and is now hovering right around the level where we've already seen some accumulation. You can spot it, those candle wicks show clear support kicking in at this zone. The moving average hasn't flipped, it's still pointing upward, and price is just gently retesting it from above. Parabolic SAR is getting close to flipping too, and if we get even one strong green candle, it'll likely switch to the underside. And take a glance at MACD, the histogram is fading, but the sellers are clearly losing steam, and the signal lines are almost touching. That's classic pre-reversal behavior. So yeah, everything's lining up for this to just be a breather, and the next leg up could be right around the corner. Ever thought about trading like a seasoned pro, without putting your money on the line? Now's your shot. We're giving you full, no limits access to our top-tier trading bot for 30 days. No fees, no credit card, just real, hands-on experience with the kind of tool serious traders swear by, all with zero risk. But it gets better. Your first deposit? We'll match it. Drop in $400, and you're instantly playing with 8. No gimmicks, no waiting around. Just a massive boost to get your momentum going right out of the gate. Fair warning though, this offer's not sticking around forever. If you've been sitting on the fence, now's the moment to move. You'll also score a spot inside our exclusive trading community, where seasoned pros share real-time signals, breakdowns, and strategies that actually make sense. It's like having the cheat codes to stay sharp and ahead of the game. Still on the fence? Totally fine. Our support team is on standby from day one, ready to help you navigate everything, whether you're just starting out or ready to level up. Opportunities like this don't wait. Hit that link and dive in. Let me tell you something real, you're not late to the game. I don't care what social media says. I don't care how many people are flaunting Lambos or talking about how they made it back in 2017. The truth is, every market cycle brings new opportunities, and the fact that you're here, learning, watching, growing, that means you're right on time. You don't need to be first. You just need to be focused. Success in trading isn't about luck or timing the market perfectly. It's about having the mindset to stay consistent when everyone else is emotional. So stop beating yourself up for what you should have done. That's over. What matters now is what you do next. The market isn't going anywhere, and your window is wide open. Get serious, get strategic, and step into the game like you belong, because you do. You don't need 10 strategies. You need one that works, and the discipline to stick to it. Mastering a single setup is more powerful than chasing every new technique. Focus brings results, so stop switching lanes. Learn your edge, dial it in, and trust the process. Our second recommendation is to open a long trade. Let's break down the chart a bit closer. Right now, we're looking at the Australian dollar against the US dollar, and it's sitting at a pretty interesting spot. Here's why it looks like we're heading up. The price recently bounced off the long-term moving average, which often acts as strong dynamic support. After that bounce, it's already starting to climb, and that's a solid early signal. The MACD is backing that up, the histogram just flipped green and is growing, and the lines are starting to cross upward. That's a classic bullish setup, showing momentum is shifting in favor of the buyers. Zooming out, the overall trend also supports the move. The moving average has an upward slope, suggesting the larger picture is still bullish. So from this point, it looks like the bulls are stepping in, and price could easily push higher, toward the next resistance zone or maybe even break through it. Want to sharpen your trading skills and snag some extra cash while you're at it? We're giving away $2,000, split evenly between 2 winners. That's $1,000 each, no strings attached, no fine print. Getting in on it is simple. Watch the video, hit that subscribe button, give it a like, and drop a meaningful comment about your trading experience. Maybe it's a proud win, a lesson that cost you, or a strategy that's been quietly doing work for you. Heads up though, we're skipping over comments like "I need money" or one-liners. We're after value, something real, a tip, a story, or a takeaway that might help someone else level up too. And remember, only your first comment gets counted, so make it solid. Winners will be chosen at random each week and announced inside our Telegram group. You'll find the link in the description. It's a goldmine of live trades, smart setups, and sharp market insight from traders who know their stuff. So jump in, bring something real to the table, and I'll catch you in the comments. Best of luck. Let's clear something up. Hype doesn't make you money. Discipline does. You can follow every trending stock, every hot call-out, every influencer on your feed. But if you don't have a plan, you're just guessing. And guessing is not a strategy. The traders who last, the ones who actually grow their accounts month after month, they're not chasing. They're patient. They know their setup. They know their risk. They don't need every trade to be a home run because they understand the game is about consistency, not fireworks. The market will always try to pull you in with noise, FOMO, greed, fear. But you've got to be stronger than that. You've got to be the calm in the storm. So build your system, trust it, and show up with discipline every single day. Because when hype fades, discipline is what keeps your account alive and growing. Appreciate you watching. Our trading bot is already out in the wild, built to elevate your strategy and help you move faster. Try it out and see the difference for yourself. Keep your edge, stay locked in, and keep pushing forward.